Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you will be fine. Student, this is our seventh lecture. Topic of the today's lecture is the same as the previous one. Factorization using algebraic identities. But in today's lecture, we will discuss intermediate level as well as advanced level questions. Students, from each question, I will do at least two parts. Remaining parts will be your homework. Let us start the lecture. Question number 5, part A. 3a square plus 12a plus 12. First of all, students, check is there anything common in the expression. If yes, take it common, then factorize the remaining expression. Like in this question, we have 3 common in the expression. The remaining expression will be a square plus 4a plus 4. Now the remaining expression become just like the question number 1 as we discussed in question 1. Now we can write a square as a square, 2 square is equal to 4, and in the center we have to write 2ab, where a is a but b is 2. Finally, the answer will be a plus 2 whole square using first identity, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square equal a plus b whole square. Student, there is an important point. To check by multiplying the middle values, these two values, 2 to the 4a. The middle values by multiplying, check if it gets the middle value of the expression, which is 4a, then your question is right. If you don't get the middle value of the expression, mean there is something wrong in your calculation, or there may be some other technique to solve this question. Students, question number 5, part C. 16 over 49 d square plus 8 over 35 df plus 1 over 25 f square. Students, you can see in this question we have nothing common. So we may write 16 over 49 d as a 4 over 7 d whole square, 1 over 25 f square as 1 over 5 f whole square, and in the center we have to write 2ab, where a is 4 over 7d, b is 1 over 5f. So finally we can write this as 4 over 7d plus 1 over 5f whole square using identity number 1. Students, next question is question number 6, part A. 36m square minus 48mn plus 16n square. Students, you can see in this question we have 4 common. The remaining expression will be 9m square minus 12mn plus 4n square. 9m square can be written as 3m whole square, 4n square as 2n whole square, and in the middle we have to write 2ab, where a is 3m and b is 2n. Once again, I repeat, multiply the middle values. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, mn, which is the middle value of your question. Now, you may write is 3m minus 2n whole square using identity number 2, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square equal a minus b whole square. In the second part, mean B part, we have 1 over 3 common. The remaining expression will be p square minus 2pq plus q square. This is exactly the form of the identity, where instead of a we have p and instead of b we have q. So the final answer of this expression will be 1 by 3 p minus q whole square. Students, question number 7, part A. 32a square minus 98b square. The first tool for factorization to check whether there is something common or not. Just like in this question, we have 2 common. the remaining expression will be 16a square minus 49b square. 16a square can be written as 4a whole square and 49b square as 7b whole square. Now this is just like the third identity, mean difference of two squares, which is a square minus b square equal a plus b, a minus b. So we can write this expression as 4a plus 7b, 1 times positive, then 4a minus 7b mean 1 times negative. Just like part C. Students, you can see in part C there is nothing common. So we may write 9 over 100 h square as 3 by 10 h whole square minus 4k whole square, because 4k whole square is equal to 16k square. Once again write these as 1 times positive, 1 times negative. So final answer will be 3 by 10h plus 4k, then 3 by 10h minus 4k. Students, now question number 8. Question number 8 is little bit difficult, but if you have the concept of the three identities, then you may solve each part of question number 8 easily. Now question number 8, part A, which is a plus 3 whole square. This is already in the form of square, minus 9. You may write 9 as 3 square. Now once again we will apply the third identity, which is the difference of two square. That is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now these two terms are just like in the form of square, difference of two square. We apply the third identity, 1 times positive, 1 times negative. Now expand this expression, a plus 3 plus 3. Here we have a plus 3 minus 3. Positive 3 will be cancelled by minus 3. We have just a. And here we have a plus 6, mean 3 plus 3 will make 6. So final answer will be a plus 6 into a. In part F, once again we have two terms in the form of square. Just apply identity number 3, mean 1 times positive, 1 times negative. Now expand these brackets. We have p plus 1 plus p minus 1. In the next bracket we have p plus 1. This negative sign will change the interior sign, so the sign of the 1 will become positive. Now positive 1 will be cancelled by minus 1 and positive p by minus p. So finally here we have 2p, and in the second bracket we have 2. Multiply 2p by 2, so the final answer will be 4p. Students, question number 8, part B. 16 minus 25 into b plus 3 whole square. Students, you can see in this question b plus 3 is already in the form of square. 16, we may write 16 as a 4 square, because 4 square is equal to 16, and 25 can be written as 5 into b plus 3 whole square. This square will make it 25 and b plus 3 whole square. Now once again we will apply the third identity, which is difference of two square. Before applying this identity, first of all multiply this 5 to this expression. It will be 5b plus 15 whole square. Now apply the third identity, 1 times positive, 1 times negative. Now expand these expression. We have 4 plus 5b plus 15. But there we have to change the sign, because there is a negative sign outside the bracket. So it will become minus 5b minus 15. Now sum up the like terms. 15 plus 4 will make 19. We have 5b plus 19, and in the second bracket we have minus 5b minus 11. Students, you can see in the second bracket we have negative common. Take it outside the bracket. Now the final answer will be 5b plus 19 into 5b plus 11. Now students, question number 9. Question number 9 is the last question of the intermediate level, is an important question. In this question we have surface area of one phase of a cube. This is the figure of the cube. Cube is a figure in which length, width, height are same. The surface area of the one phase of the cube is x square plus 4x plus 4 cm square. The unit of the area is cm square. Students, each phase of a cube is a square figure. Since surface area of one phase of the cube mean area of the square is L square, length multiplied by length. Now students, take these two areas equal, mean L square is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4. Now factorize this expression. X square, 2 square will be equal to 4, and in the middle we have to write 2ab. So final answer will be x plus 2 whole square. Take square root on both sides. We have length of each phase of a square is equal to x plus 2 square. Now in the second part we have to find the volume of the cube. Volume of the cube is length multiplied by length multiplied by length, because in cube length, width and height are same. So we can write x plus 2 into x plus 2 into x plus 2. Multiply these three brackets. First of all, we will multiply any of two brackets. We will get the expression x square plus 4x plus 4. Then multiply this by x plus 2. The final answer you can see on the board, which is x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 cm cube. This is the last question of the intermediate level. Now students, you will be able to do all the remaining parts of this section. Take care. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.